Dear colleagues from the tube and pipe industry, on behalf of ITA, I would like to welcome you all for our today's hybrid conference.
I am part of what we call Welspun Corp, which is really the steel part of the business and the water and the building materials. And again, we have our revenue is about 1.6 billion. That was basically this last financial year. And we employ as steel producers, a pipe producer, about 9,000 people, again, spread out in India, Saudi Arabia, and the US. What's happening in the US, driven by the new administration policies that I think our previous speaker also mentioned on looking from the outside in the US, but looking in the US, and the impact of those policies, there is a huge pipeline boom. Yesterday, this is really a headline from an article in Financial Times, it was printed yesterday, and it shows a huge infrastructure, a huge capex program for all the main operators, expanding, upgrading, greenfield new pipelines to connect LNG export terminals, which, as you know, there's a big push from this administration to export LNG out of the US, but also to serve base needs of electricity power generation, could be for data centers, or just basically domestic consumption. So it's really all this, what you see here on the left, which is really just a network between Texas and Louisiana, which is, you see pipelines start from West Texas or Oklahoma, and they drive down to the either exporting terminal or to a consumer, which could be a power generation plant. And if you overlay also data centers, you will see many of the data centers in the US are built around that area.